Hi, I'm Marcos de Noronha, and I'm a lecturer with the physiotherapy team here in Bendigo. Are you interested in helping other people with their health and well-being? Do you see yourself working with people of all ages and backgrounds? Well, physiotherapy might be for you. What kind of work physiotherapists do? Work with patients to help them improve their overall quality of life. We assess, diagnose, treat, and prevent many movement and health disorders. The three main areas are musculoskeletal, neurological, and cardiorespiratory. Musculoskeletal physiotherapy is the one treating people with sore backs, necks, fractures, and other injuries, including sprains, strains, arthritis, and following surgery.
Hi, I'm Carolyn Taylor and I'm a lecturer in physiotherapy here at Bendigo. For neurological physiotherapy, we treat people who've had head injuries that affect the nervous system, such as stroke, brain injury, spinal cord injury, multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease. For cardiorespiratory physiotherapy, we work with people in intensive care, those recovering from a heart attack, or a chronic respiratory condition such as asthma. There are many other areas of physiotherapy such as sports medicine, women's and men's health, paediatrics, disability, hand therapy, chronic pain management, to name a few. The La Trobe Physiotherapy program is very well regarded and the oldest program in Victoria. Next year, we're very excited to be offering the Bachelor of Physiotherapy honours, as well as continuing our Master of Physiotherapy practice. So what can you expect from this program? It's an academic challenge, a mix of small group learning, online learning, lectures, practical classes, and clinical placement experiences. You'll develop enduring friendships and have a rewarding career.
You will be eligible to register with Physiotherapy Board of Australia. Good job prospects: hospitals, private and public, rehabilitation centres, private practices, community health centres, and aged care. Why should you consider studying physiotherapy at Bendigo? We have small cohorts of students. You get to know your colleagues really well. You will also get to know your lecturers really well. You'll be well supported in your studies, and you'll get access to fantastic and modern facilities. We have experienced and knowledgeable lecturers, wide variety of interesting clinical placement opportunities. So, if physiotherapy sounds like the career for you, visit the physiotherapy page on the La Trobe University website and click on the course information for Bendigo to find more information, including the prerequisites for entry into the course. We'll see you next year for a rewarding, challenging, and exceptional physiotherapy experience.
I'm Karen Harrington, physiotherapist for the Carlton Football Club.
What if you got the chance to thank the teacher who inspired you?
A lot of people helped me along the way at La Trobe. One of those was Marcos in Bendigo, who's so passionate about physiotherapy.
And how would they feel?
Marcos, how are you?
Being able to see our students succeeding, that's when we know that I did something right.
Through the partnership La Trobe have with the Carlton Football Club, I was able to complete one of my physiotherapy placements within the club. It certainly led me to the position that I'm in today.
It has a lot to do with how much work you put into what you're doing and how much you love it.
You can only achieve excellence if the opportunity is there, and La Trobe was really empowering. If you've got people like Marcos wanting to help you succeed, then it makes that journey so much easier along the way.